Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products in the market just for you. Today, we're diving into something truly innovative and practical: the Zento's reusable fabric toe wraps. If you've been looking for a solution to foot discomfort or pain, stay tuned because this might be exactly what you need. These toe wraps are not your average foot care product. They're designed by A&J Productions LLC to provide relief and comfort in a simple, effective manner. Whether you're dealing with toe alignment issues or recovering from a foot injury, these wraps offer a reusable and washable solution that's both gentle and supportive. Now, let's talk about why these wraps stand out. Made from high-quality fabric, they're breathable and soft against your skin, making them comfortable to wear throughout the day or even at night. Unlike traditional toe separators, which can be cumbersome and uncomfortable, these wraps conform to your toe's natural shape, promoting natural alignment without any discomfort. Imagine being able to walk, run, or simply relax without the nagging discomfort of misaligned toes. The Zento's reusable fabric toe wraps make this possible by gently encouraging proper toe alignment. Whether you're at home, at work, or even during yoga practice, these wraps provide the support you need without restricting your movement. Let's break down the key features that make these toe wraps a must-have. Eco-friendly and durable, these wraps can be washed and reused multiple times, making them a sustainable choice for your foot care routine. They're designed to fit snugly yet comfortably, ensuring that you can wear them all day long without irritation. By gently separating and aligning your toes, they help relieve pressure and promote better circulation, which is essential for overall foot health. I've personally tested these wraps, and I have to say, the results speak for themselves. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in comfort and mobility after incorporating them into their daily routines. While we don't solely rely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that these wraps have garnered positive feedback from many users who appreciate their effectiveness and simplicity. Whether you're dealing with bunions, overlapping toes, or simply looking to enhance your foot health, the Zento's reusable fabric toe wraps offer a practical solution that delivers results. Available online with great customer support, they're definitely worth considering if foot discomfort is a concern for you. That wraps up our review of the Zento's reusable fabric toe wraps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of innovative products like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.